Welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. And like you guys saw with the intro, it is a clean with me and also a kind of like a house tour of my summer decor. So I have showed you guys before my lemon decor in my kitchen, but I never showed you guys the summer items that I have out in my living room and my entranceway because I was hoping for Dollar Tree to bring some new summer items into my Dollar Tree so that I can take them, do some DIYs with them, and then add some more decor, but it never happened. So I have my house decorated the way I wanted to with the things that I already have, and so I'm gonna share that with you guys today. Plus I'm gonna give you guys some cleaning motivation because I need to get my house in order because we're gonna have some people over on Sunday for 4th of July. So I have to get the downstairs, you know, dusted and cleaned up and everything ready for people to come over. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video today. So if you need some cleaning motivation or you guys wanna just see my house tour of the things that I have for the summertime, then just stay tuned to this video. I don't know about you guys, but growing up in a Puerto Rican Hispanic household, every Saturday morning, my mom used to wake us up with Spanish music blazing, and that was our cue to get up and start cleaning. Saturday mornings was always the day that we cleaned the home and everybody did their chores, and she always played music while we cleaned. And I don't know if that's just a Hispanic thing, but that's just something that we always did every Saturday morning. And then like it turns into a dance party because then you end up just dancing to the music. But that's why if you guys see me that I'm moving around here, even though I'm moving fast, and you see me moving back and forth, it's because I'm listening to music in my little ear pods, and it was a great song on and I just started dancing. And it just that's one way to get me through cleaning whenever you don't want to clean. Like the two things that I find that help me clean is either listen to music that I love to listen to and it gets me in the mode to clean, or if I'm folding clothes or if I'm doing the dishes, I put on a good show or a good movie on, and that way it keeps me company while I'm doing my tasks. So always find things to do alongside of cleaning so it doesn't make it so boring, and then you're more motivated to do it.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten. Forever, forever. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. Let's run away together. I wanna run away with you. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Let's run away together. Let's run away. Swear we'd never say goodbye. Fall asleep to lullabies with something that I thought I'd never find. And what is right and what is wrong when all I ever saw was love. But let's get lost in love tonight. Hear a second voice inside my head. It's telling me to stay the night again and hold on to the words we always said would be forever, forever. Wait another day to clear my thoughts, so jump into a love that won't be forgotten.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of this area. You guys have seen this area a bunch of times in my videos when I decorate for the holidays. So I'm gonna show you what I have. Like I said, it's not really a lot because I was hoping Dollar Tree would bring all the new stuff that they've been showing on the Dollar Tree hauls, like other people that have in their stores. I thought they were gonna bring it to my stores, but they never did. So this area is very spare, you know, like bare. But I kept the home sign that I made, that I use all year round, and I have that mirror. These are just Dollar Tree mirrors. Right here is the little life, was it the life raft or life, what does it call that? Lifesaver that I created. It's a Dollar Tree DIY. I'll put the video down below. And these are just two little sconces that I have on either side of my mirror. This is the boat that I made. It was a Dollar Tree DIY as well. Put that video down below. That's also a Dollar Tree DIY. I actually have to repaint it because I used to have a candle over here, but now I'm starting to use a candle warmer because look what the candle did. The candle kind of burnt that, you know, the fire that comes from the candle. It made it black right there. So I'm gonna have to repaint that. But this is a DIY that I made also on my channel. Of course, you gotta have the Germex, anybody coming into this house. This is my candle warmer, which I need to take time whenever it's actually hot and clean it a little bit because the wax has gotten everywhere and it's kind of really dirty. The one that I like to use that is in there right now is this one by Better Homes and Garden. It's called Pool. And I had another one by Better Homes and Garden. I think it was called the Hawaiian something. But I like this one as well. But the other one is like, I think it's like a Caribbean or Hawaiian, or it says something about being at the beach or something. But that one smells good too. But I like this one because I love the color of it and I love the smell of it. So that's what's in there. And then I have this tier tray, which I made. It's a Dollar Tree DIY on my channel. You guys have seen it before. And I just switch it out with the different things for the holidays. So I have my welcome sign, my little welcome house that I always have on there. This is a little, the little, what are those things called? Little bottles that they have at Dollar Tree. They have 3 different colors. They have this teal color, that dark blue color like you can see right there, and then also the white. This was new this year that I saw. I thought this was really cute. I think I showed you in my Dollar Tree hauls. Let me put this in the drawer. I saw this, I told you guys in my Dollar Tree hauls that I think this is really cute for not only the summer. I mean, I like the summer color. It looks very beachy, but also these would be great for apothecary jars for Halloween time. Whenever you guys want to make some apothecary jars and put like Eye of Newt or Danger or something like that. So that would be perfect to DIY. That's just one little tin from Dollar Tree. And those are the little, these are actually dog toys from Dollar Tree. I got this idea from Bargain Bethany. She says they look like, these are the balls that they sell that are like nautical balls, and they sell them as nautical balls, and she just took the Dollar Tree dog toys and just used them. So I only could find the black one, so I actually painted these little white ones right here, and then that one was already black. So that's what's right there. And then down here is my don't worry about the floors, I gotta sweep it and mop it. This is the little jar vase that I told you I got from Hobby Lobby. I got it for 50% off, and so it was normally, I forgot how much it was, but I only paid $12.50 for it because it was 50% off. So definitely always, whenever Hobby Lobby has their 50% off on like home decor stuff, check it out. Because this big jar right here in Target, the Joanna Gaines line, she has a Hearth and Home line, and she sells this exact same jar for $35, and I got this for $12 at Hobby Lobby. The flowers that are in it are just flowers from Dollar Tree. Those are the dripping blossoms that I told you guys about in my last Dollar Tree haul, where I told you I got the fall ones. So stay tuned. The fall ones are probably going to go in there. Well, actually they're going to go in another jar because I don't want the orange and blue, but these are so pretty. So just Dollar Tree flowers with some Hobby Lobby vase. This was in Dollar General. I got this for, I believe, still think I got the price on it. Yep, I got it for $3, guys. $3. I have to figure out a way to disguise that wire because I don't like it. But I got that for $3 at Dollar General. That was a wagon I found at Target for about $5. I just put a Dollar Tree welcome, galvanized welcome sign on it, and then I add some greenery that I got from Walmart. So that is what's on here. Very simple, very, you know, minimal. I wish I would have been more, because I wish I would have had some more DIYs to make for you guys for come the summertime, because I know you guys love the nautical stuff, but they weren't bringing anything to my Dollar Tree, never. Like, I guess they're gonna bring it right after the holidays, so maybe stay tuned for next year. But that's how it looks right here. So I'm about to continue cleaning and start sweeping.
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me
So I found this little artwork at this home decor artwork at Ross, and I picked it up for my living room because I think it would look really cute above the TV. I was trying to find something above the TV, and you guys know I love light blue. That's like my favorite color. And this has like the wood grain feel, kind of like that farmhouse feel, and then the whites, which I love. And so it was only $11.99 at Ross. It was normally $20. The only thing about it is it didn't come with something to hang it. Like, it didn't come with something to hang it. So I had to make my own thing. So like with all my DIYs, whenever I make a DIY for you guys and I share with you guys like a wall DIY, this is how I hang it in the back. I get a paper clip, and I take that Dollar Tree adhesive glue that I told you is just like E6000 glue. I put a little bit of that glue, some hot glue for the fast drying time, and mix them together, and then I glue a huge paper clip on, and that's how I hang most of my wall things if they don't have a hanger in the back. That's what I do to make my own. So that was the only thing about it. And I saw in the store that it didn't have it, but I really wanted it. I thought it was so cute. So I'm about to put it above the TV, and then I will share with you guys all the stuff that I have in the living room.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So over here at this table is kind of like two tables connected together. Is another table that I need to paint. But it's just my tier tray, my big tier tray, and I have it the same that I had the year before, because again, like I said, Dollar Tree didn't have nothing new. So All the things that are on this tier tray are either DIYs that I made or stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, and I will put the video down below if you haven't seen that video of when I set up this tier tray. So I will link it down below so you can get all the details to it. But yeah, everything is either from Dollar Tree or it's a DIY I made with Dollar Tree products. But that's what I have over here at this table, and then we always leave that blank here because we end up putting our computer and drinks and everything in here. So, and this is like kind of like a big area. That's kind of a weird area that I have in my living room, which is, you know, it's great that I had these two tables because they fit together. They fit perfectly for that space, so it kind of made up for it. So, but that's just what's in this area.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I am done, you guys, with the cleaning that I want to do before my guests come. The only thing you guys didn't see me do was the downstairs bathroom because my youngest does that. That's her chore, that's her zone. And the sweeping of the floors of the dining room and the kitchen, my daughter does that for her nightly chores every night, my oldest daughter. So that's the only thing you didn't see, but I have my house ready for guests to come. So I hope this video gave you guys some cleaning motivation to get up and get your house ready if you are having any guests coming over, having a party for this 4th of July weekend. And also I hope you guys enjoyed the decor that I shared with you guys. It wasn't much, but it was a little something that I had out from last year because again, like I didn't have the Dollar Tree bring out that shoreline decor, and when they do, I will be bringing you guys some DIYs, some nautical decor DIYs, and I even bring it out before the next summer because I know a lot of you guys decorate for beach all year round. So I hope, like again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.